welcome back. For you today, as you can tell from the title, I have a diaper bag review slash what is in my diaper bag. As you can tell from my video before, I did like a unboxing for my Miss Fong diaper bag that I got. I decided for you today, obviously, to do kind of like a review now that I've been using it for like a week or so, and also just kind of show you what's in it. I know I'm snoopy like that, so I figured you guys would enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the video, and also if you have any what's in my diaper bag videos or reviews, let me know, because I love to check them out. I'm super weird like that, and they're one of my favorite videos. But yeah, so if you would like to see that, then keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, this thing is massively heavy. I don't even know if I can get it all in here. So this is it. I literally got 2 diaper bags I was using into this one, so super pumped about that. It does have, I'll just kind of show you the bag first. It's got these straps at the back for like a backpack style, which are adjustable. They do have an adaptable backpack, I think, where you can take the straps on and off. I didn't get that one because the reviews on it said that it wasn't super comfy. Plus, I saw this bag on with the long straps and the backpack, and my little girl's just right there. It still looked super cute. So, and I actually thought it came with like a really long strap, which it does, but it also comes with this short one. So I have actually been using this short one as opposed to the really long like crossbody bag, or crossbody strap, and the backpack straps. So super happy with that. It also comes with these here, which is the stroller straps. So they're literally on each side and you can clip them on or off. I just have them on there. I haven't actually used it on a stroller yet, but, and then yeah, I have obviously the little poof that every girl and their dog has, but I have it and I love it. Alright, another thing about the bag is it has these side pockets here, which I'll show you. I keep my hand sanitizer spray in this side, and then it also has like a zip up pocket, which I don't have anything in yet. And then it has this front pocket here, which is usually where I keep my cell phone and stuff. And then it also has another zip pocket, which, as you can see by my hand, if I can figure it out, is actually pretty deep. So I actually have a little munch mitt in here and a pack of fruit snacks. So easy to grab there. And then again, the same thing on this side. So you have the big pocket here, which I have a baby rattle in. And then also the zipper here, which I don't have anything in. And then a cool thing also at the back of this bag is this little pocket here, which actually you can put it's a wipes pocket. So you can put your wipes in there and then be able to reach in and not have to like dig through your bags to get wipes. I have a huge bag, or a huge thing of wipes, so I actually don't carry it in there. But I could probably get like a little travel size one, or if you use like the little Honest ones, Honest Company, you can put them in there. I have a juice box in there right now. So I am just going to show you what my hot mess diaper bag looks like. Alright, so this is it here. As you can see, so this is the top when it's closed, and then you obviously unzip it and then open it, and it's a nice, like, I don't know, it's like a wipeable material, I guess. It actually feels really nice. Even the leather on the bag is super nice. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, so I'm excited to see kind of like how it holds up and stuff. But so far, I really, really like it. This is obviously for your keys or anything like that. I don't have anything on it at the moment. And then it's got a ton of pockets. So this right here is actually the wipes pocket, which I have a juice box, some more fruit snacks, And I also have a hat for my daughter. Oh, and you know what? I have also in there is a pack of boogie wipes because I don't go anywhere without them. For kids, for my hubby, anything like that, they're good to go. But yeah, so I have that in that pocket. And then I'll just start taking out kind of what's on top. So this is just my wallet. Ew, it's really dirty. Nice big wallet. It's not a small wallet. And then I have sunglasses right on top here. And then I have, let's see, I'll grab this one out. So this is actually an insulated pocket for like bottles, I guess, or drinks of any sort. My daughter is nursing, so I don't have bottles, but I mean, if I ever brought something for my son, I could put it in there. Right now, I just had this little like unicorn bag, which is so flippin' cute. And then inside here, I actually have the long strap to the diaper bag, and then I have some tempera, I have some diaper cream, or diaper rash cream, sunscreen, menthol, lip stuff, ecos, yeah, that sort of thing. So this is kind of where I carry all my random stuff. I'm not going to do that back up. And then back in here, you can see this is the wipes pocket. I have, this is like a stretchy pocket here. I have a bunch of random diapers. My son is potty trained now, so I don't have to carry diapers for him, so this is just for my daughter, which is super nice. In here, I do have a bottle with a little ready-to-go formula thing in it. Again, I don't give formula to my daughter yet, but just in case we were ever out and I needed it, I have it in there. And then I have some snacks. So it looks like he's ate a lot of the one side and the crackers, and then, yeah, just some random snacks for my son. And then down in here, I have a wet bag. So it's just a big Ziploc bag. I have like a disposable change pad, jeans, and then inside is a pair of underwear, as well as a bag inside here to hold his underwear. And then if I needed to, I can use this big bag for, you know, pants or anything if he had an accident. And then you can see now that this is empty and there's like a ton of space. Like, and then what else? I got sunscreen in here, just a copper tone kids spray, SPF 60, because you never know. And then in this other stretchy pocket here, I just have a super cute little bib for my daughter, just because she is kind of teethy, so I like to put it on so she doesn't really ruin an outfit or get it all soaking wet. And then there's another little zipper pocket here, which I guess could be like a mommy pocket if you wanted it to be. I just have my pack of wipes, which are just Pampers, Complete Clean, Baby Fresh scent. They actually smell so nice. And then I got a little teether, which has like a bunch of different things on it. It is a Life Factory. I don't even know. And then I have a Joe Fresh lip gloss in Fresh Glass, I'm assuming it is. It's really like a really soft pink. I love it. I'm not a big lipstick wearing person, but I really, really like that one. Yeah, and then you can see that that is empty there. That's it, actually. I'm kind of surprised. But like I said, I was able to get both my other diaper bags into this one diaper bag, so that kind of made me happy. Again, I really, really like the looks of the bag so far. I like how it's, like, everything is organized. I like how all my stuff fits in it. I like that you can wipe the outside down. I love the gold detailing. So far, I'm super, super happy with it. We'll see how it holds up. I did read that sometimes the buckles and stuff will give out, but we shall see. Hopefully I don't carry anything too heavy and it wrecks it. But I do like that these also, the stroller straps are like a canvasy material, so I feel like if your bag was super heavy, it would be okay. And this one's actually really thick as well, so yeah, that is it, and that is what is in my diaper bag. Again, I am super happy with it.
Yeah, all these opinions are my own. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I purchased the bag on my own. I was not given it, and this is my honest opinion. So far, I am super happy. So I actually debated on getting the light gray one or the black one. I couldn't really decide. I did go with the black one, obviously, but I might, depending on how well the bag holds up, go and get the light gray one, because I saw a lot of girls do reviews on it and it looked super cute on, and I was thinking even for like a winter bag it would work, or a summer bag, I guess. But yeah, so far super happy with it. That was everything that was in it, which didn't seem like a lot, oddly enough, but yeah, I will link the bag down below, and yeah, so lovely. Look at this hot mess I got going on. It was one of those days today. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these sort of mommy videos, lifestyle videos, that sort of thing. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video.